Chapter 14, Sample Problem Number 8. A train with a 1000 Hz whistle passes by a train station at a constant speed of 30 meters per second. A speaker on the station emits a 700 Hz warning siren as the train approaches. A. As the train approaches the station, is the frequency of the train whistle as perceived by someone on the train platform greater than, less than, or equal to 1000? Since the range is closing, the Doppler effect says that the frequency is greater. As the train approaches, is the frequency of the station warning siren perceived by someone on the train as greater than 700, less than 700, or equal? Again, the range is closing, so the frequency is higher. As the train moves away from the station, is the frequency of the train whistle as perceived as an observer on the platform? Well, it's moving away, so the frequency will be less. And as the train moves away from the station, is the frequency of the train whistle as perceived by a passenger on the train would be equal, because they are co-moving with it, so there's no Doppler effect.